Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is January 21st, 2015. Let's jump right into the charts. The futures are trading a little bit lower this morning. They're down about 5 points right now to around the 2011, 75, 2012 area. I think catching a little bit of a dip here, but you could see that futures were a little bit lower. They have come off the lows. We'll see if they do come all the way back down. Now, what's the catalyst for the futures going lower? There are a lot of different things out there today, but here's the main catalyst. Just take a look at dollar yen. Dollar yen is giving back all of yesterday's gains. If I show you the daily chart, you'll see a big reversal day today. So today's action, the dollar yen is down. When the dollar yen is down, the market is down. You could look at it any other way. You could look at bond yields. You could look at Russia. You could look at problems elsewhere and other things like that. But the bottom line is the market is following the dollar yen. You're not going to hear that really on CNBC, but if they want to tell you the truth, that's what it is. So again, everybody should have a dollar yen chart up at all times. Watch dollar yen. If dollar yen can catch a bid here some point today, I think the market will recover. If dollar yen falls, the market will fall with it. That's really the way it goes. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news today. We're going to start off with Netflix. This is the big one. Netflix having a great move today. Stock closed at $348.80 yesterday. Now trading up around $411.56. We're going to have some levels for Netflix in the intraday stock chat. We'll post those up at 9 a.m. So if you want to come over and see what we're doing in the intraday stock chat each and every day, come take a 7-day free trial. We are in the heart of gap season, so we are getting more and more gap plays each and every day. So again, come on over to the intraday stock chat. Take a 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing there. Next up on my list here is IBM. IBM reported earnings. I believe they hit their estimates, but they missed revenues. So all in all, stock is trading at $152.60. Closed at $156.95 yesterday. The stock will have some short-term support around the 150 area, also 152 briefly, and then basically the stock can drift lower, can go down to 142.70, which is its next major support level. So be careful here with IBM. Again, you really want to see a definitive pattern before trying to pick this one up. It is under pressure today. Let's take a look at another at AMD, which is a semiconductor company. They reported earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at $2.20. I'm not sure I can make much out of it. I think they missed across the board, but either way, we don't care about that news. We only care about the price action, and there's really nothing to do here as far as AMD is concerned. Let's take a look at CREE. CREE is the people that make the LED light bulbs, that technology. Right now, CREE is trading at $34. It closed at $32.34. So a good little move. If CREE traded much higher, we'd have some resistance levels there. But in the near term, watch 35.10, 35.25. That's a very good resistance level for CREE if it does get up there. I really don't see the stock getting much higher than that today. Let's take a look at UNH, which is United Health Group. I believe they had some numbers as well. Stock right now is trading at 106.50. It closed at 105.50. This is still a very, very strong stock. All in all, when I look at the charts, I got to think this wants to go to 110, 111. Ultimately, doesn't mean it will do it today. But either way, this is a pretty good move for UNH. Little uptick this morning, and I think it still has potential upside if the markets can rally. If the markets don't rally, this probably stalls out a little bit, but either way, still a very, very strong name. Let's take a look here at Fifth Third Bank. I believe they reported earnings as well. Stock is trading at $17.80. Did trade as low as $17.70. It closed at $18.08. So again, a lot of support down here around these levels for this stock. If the stock sold off hard, I love the $15 level as a long-term buy. I don't think we're going to get it there today, but you never know. If it does get down to that 15 level, I personally will be jumping all over it. So that's just something to take note of. Either way, it does have some minor support right in these levels. We'll watch for pattern once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. I saw that Samsung announced that they will not be using Qualcomm chips in their next phone. So Qualcomm is definitely getting hit a little bit today. Stock, as you can see, traded as low as $68. Right now it's at $70.31. Be careful with this one. It can trade back down to that $68 level, potentially even lower. We'll be looking at this one today. Once the opening bell rings, we'll probably be trading Qualcomm at some point in time. So if you want to trade this one with us, come on over. As I always say, take a 7-day free trial. You'll see all the stuff that we do each and every day regarding trades during the trading session. So you have nothing to lose. Just observe for a week and see if you like the product, if you like what we're bringing to the table. And again, Qualcomm will be on our radar today. All right, we're going to switch gears here a little bit. We're going to go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up again. Gold right now is at $13.02 an ounce. It's trading higher by $8 at the moment. Let's take a look at the GLD. You'll see the GLD this morning is trading at 124.97. So good little pop for GLD. There's a ton of resistance though around 126.25 if it does get up there. So just realize gold is getting a little bit long in the tooth here. I love it, but all in all, gold is getting a little bit stretched and extended. Let's take a look at oil today. Light sweet crude is moving higher. It's trading higher by about 79 cents to $47.25 a barrel. Let's go over to the USO. What you're going to see here, USO is catching a little bit of a bid. Now, oil has been very, very rocky and choppy. The last 4 trading days, it's been up, down, and we'll see if today is a day where it could finally find some footing. But oil has been very, very turbulent. Again, expect more of the same. I don't see any real definitive bottom in oil just yet, at least from my vantage point. All right, we're going to switch gears here, go right back to the futures. S&P 500 E-mini futures right now are trading lower by 5 3/4 points to 20.11 per contract. So again, futures starting the day out weak, but everybody should keep on their radar the dollar-yen chart. That's going to dictate where this market goes today. Now, tomorrow you have lots of news coming out. ECB is coming out with their so-called quantitative easing, if they're going to have one. So we're going to have a fireworks day tomorrow, so be prepared. This is going to be wild, whippy trading, but either way you slice it or dice it, the volatility is here, and when we have volatility, we have day trading action, and that's the bottom line. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.